You have been selected by the Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Just like Imam Hussein's plan was manufactured by the Almighty Allah, his victory was designed by God, where you see millions of people going to his shrine every year, also his servants, and the servants of his servants were chosen. This is an honor and a privilege that we carry dear to our hearts. Be patient with the people, be kind to them. Many of you might be very honorable individuals within your homes and societies and at place of work. But here, take pride in being the khadim of Imam al-Hussein. To be servants and nothing more. Because you, my brothers and sisters, are the graduates of the school of those who Imam al-Hussein assembled on the 10th of Muharram. He assembled every one of them. He gave a standard to Ali al-Akbar, a standard to his brother Abu al-Fadl al-Abbas, and a standard to Habib ibn Madahir al-Asadi. Who were those people? Habib, the eldest man on the camp of Imam al-Hussein, the companion of Rasulullah, a man who would read the Quran every day, a man of taqwa and iman. You are a student of Habib. You are a student of Abis. You are a student of Qamar al-Ashira, Abu al-Fadl al-Abbas, who went to the Euphrates. He entered the Euphrates. He put his hands to drink. But look at the adab. Look at the akhlaq. Look at the values of Abu al-Fadl. يا نفس من بعد الحسين هوني وبعده ما كنت أن تكوني. هذا الحسين وارد المنون وتشربين بارد المعين. Hussein is thirsty. How can you drink? You have been disciplined and graduated from the school of Imam al-Hussein, Sayyid al-Shuhada and his companions. And you have given a pledge. You have given an oath that will never be revoked, that will never be changed. To his mother Fatima al-Zahra, Abad wallah ya Zahra ma nansa Husayna. We will never forget Hussein. We will never abandon Hussein. Hussein will never be alone again. This is what we stand for. You should be proud. You should be honored. And to the masses, to the people, to the attendees, to the listeners, to the lovers of Hussein, make sure that you do not miss the opportunity to be part of this global movement. Make sure you subscribe immediately to the service of Hussein.